Yeah, once it is
Go to
done,
cd lib.
cd lib. Mm,
Okay, if you do ls minus lrt here, right?
mm,
Ls minus lrt.
okay.
Okay, you can see all jars are like symlinked to label server location. Okay, only the jar em, the down go down. So this em installer which you just compiled, right, this
Oh,
is a local jar. So this means like your local jar got compiled and built. Okay, when
yeah.
you say make jar, right, so the new
Mm,
jar, what it will do, it will bring it to the local and it will update it.
yeah.
Similar with all other jars, if we deal only with this em installer jar, and another jar is em config.jar.
Mm,
Okay, only two jars are there. Okay, if you
okay.
go up, if you see all these jars, right, whatever
Mm,
files are there, they are sibling to the label.
label. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Mm. You said EM apart from EM installer, one more Java, right? Where it will
Yeah,
be
em config here only.
EM config. That will be also local only.
No, no, that when you do a change and compile, then only it will be. Here it is, oms config.jar is there, right? Down. Yeah,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
prereq oms config, these are like our jars only. So
Uh,
this will be once you make some change to config code, right?
mm.
Vidhi might have shown you config code also, right? Yes.
No, only install code I have seen.
Okay. There is another code, like another code path where we have configuration, this one. So there, right now it is not needed. You just concentrate on this install jar.
Yeah.
Okay. That also when we do a compile and build it, right?
Mm.
So this jar will get updated.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next step is like how to test this change, right?
Yes.
For the view, right? Did you do setup view
Yes.
locally
Yes. Yes.
on this view only or some other view?
Yeah. This one only.
This one only, right? So now you go to cd dollar
Mm.
dollar sign capital oracle home, oracle underscore home. Okay, just enter here.
Mm.
It's not there. When you do a setup view, you did it on the this view or some other view?
I'm having only one view.
Only one view, right? Yesterday I told you you can do setup view also, right? So that way we can have setup view also, like we can have this oracle home built in this view. So to test, how to test it, I'm telling you now.
Okay.
Okay. What we can do,
So I didn't understand. I forgot the setup view thing.
yesterday I told you, right? See, the way we do an install, right, create installing a db, installing oms agent, everything we did, right,
Yes.
manually.
Yes.
That all steps are automated in view, in this view.
Okay.
When
Got
you
it. Got
do
it.
setup view, right, so it
Yeah.
automatically create all those, like db,
Uh-huh.
it will create by itself, like there is an automation. It
Yeah.
will create the db, it will install the oms, it will configure the oms, and it will do an agent install also. Okay,
Yeah.
that all steps are there. Okay,
Hmm.
right now we'll just for the testing purpose we'll do only one part of it. You
Okay.
just run the, go to em core, cd em core. Okay, here you run make oms underscore uh, clone, clone underscore core, core, enter.
Okay.
Okay, core, just open one file here, vi core.mk. Okay, just search for give escape slash search for clone, clone, uh, just say search next slash n. No, no, not slash n, sorry, slash. Again you type escape, clone, type clone underscore, you give that, it will search it first. Clone underscore,
One second.
underscore,
Hmm.
enter. Again you give escape
Okay.
and then type n. Yeah. This is there, right? Just type in another time and another time no another time and another time yeah, just
Sorry,
okay,
I'm coughing.
yeah, just go down. Just use escape I,
Okay.
and then just scroll up and down here. Just scroll up, further
Mm.
up, up. Yeah, you just copy this name, clone OMS core. So right click,
Yeah.
then come out of this file
Mm.
and then run this make space paste. No, no, no.
Yeah, not copied. Huh?
It's okay. You can type it clone underscore OMS underscore core. Enter. Okay.
Mm.
This what it will do. It will just do a software only install. Whatever we were trying, right?
Mm.
So first time we tried a software only install, right? Like putting all the bits.
Yes, yes.
That it will do for
Mm-hmm.
us. Okay. But a setup view, it will do an entire setup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you go to VNC. Welcome, whatever password you give. Just open another terminal, new.
Tab is fine or window?
Yeah, it's okay. New. It's fine. Anything is fine. ADLS views. LS views. VIVES hyphen local. Use this. Enter to this view. AD use view.
Yeah, yeah.
Just give. Okay, you are not in that folder, right? You can use small names, man, like just EM or something. Like don't no need of like giving a big names.
Okay. This.
Okay. One second. Just check in the console whether that clone command is completed. The VS Code terminal still running. Wait for it.
We created one jar, and with that jar we are cloning.
No, no, not with that jar. See, whatever shipom we have in the label, right? That doesn't have your changes.
Yes.
Now you want to test that changes, right? What you have to do, that's what I am telling you.
Okay.
Before, like it is included in shipom or anything, right?
Mm.
That part I'm telling you. Next step, I'll tell you how to build a shipom also, shipom and this clone image, so that your changes are there in the shipom.
Mm-hmm.
This is fine. In the terminal, right? It's done. Go to uh, CD $oracle home, dollar oracle capital underscore home, enter
Mm.
ls. So this is your oracle home, like what you did software only install, right?
Mm.
This is your oracle home. Now where we have this jar, right? Em installer dot jar, that place we have to replace it. Okay, so we'll go into cd OUI under a slash /em. No, not slash at the beginning, because it is in this folder only, right? Then here you give another /em, enter here. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have this. If you do ls, right? Do ls. Okay. Here we have our em installer.jar. It is being used from this location. So what we have to do is we have to copy that jar from em core lib, right, and replace it here.
Okay.
You can do cp $AD view root. No. $AD view root capital. $AD underscore view underscore root /em core /lib /em installer capital I. .jar. 1 second. No? You copy it here. Just press enter. Okay. Now it is replaced here, right? Now you want to see your changes, but you are just made this one, right? Just
I
a
didn't
comment
do
you
any
have.
changes. Yes.
Yeah. So you cannot see, but I'll tell you how to run this. Like you go to this guy, this location in this folder, right? You just go 2 level up. Yeah. System, go
I
to
have a
system.
small question. Why Vehicle home is not there for me before?
That's what I told you, right? See, when you do an install, then only you will have an Oracle home, right?
But we
Otherwise,
already installed before, right? I have installed, right?
that is, you did it manually, but in this view, you don't have anything.
Okay, understood.
Okay. So now you go to cd sysman install. cd sysman install. Okay, enter. Okay, there is ls /configure gc.sh. Capital C. Yeah, enter.
What we are doing here?
Just do just an enter. Like this is like you made some jar changes, right? And you want to test that change is there in the UI. So basically that is UI change, right? Whatever you are doing in the installer code. Okay. So you invoke the configure page. It will bring up the installer pages, whatever we have, and you can see whether that change is here or not.
So
This is one way. This
okay.
is one way of doing the testing. Okay. This is like simplest way and fastest way. You can just make a change, compile the jar, copy it into the this software only location, and then invoke the configure gc. Okay, this is one way. Okay, you can cancel this because you don't have any changes to UI, so I cannot show you what changes has been done. Even there is no way we can test it. Okay, because it's just a command change, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the other way of testing this, right? You can in the view, right? You have to build your shipom first. Okay. That everything is there. Everything is automated in the form job. So when you run a form job, right, it will build you a shipom. It will build all the clone image. It will test everything. It will do. But locally, how do you build a shipom? That we have to understand. Okay, once you are done with your em core installer compilation and jar generation, right, you have to go to cd emgc folder. There is a emgc folder in the view. cd emgc. You just type emgc. It will go no slash. Enter. Okay. In the view root, right? There's a emgc folder. One second, man. Devi, shall I show you afterwards that shipom creation?
Yeah. Shipum
My
creation
daughter
can
is
do it,
troubling me. My wife went to
What is her
pick
name?
it. Yusra.
Mhm.
My wife went to pick up my other kid, so she is alone here with my mother.
Okay.
So she is not keeping quiet. Okay.
Okay.
I'll show you later that shipom creation.